Hello, good afternoon. I'm Rosalyn Daniel. This afternoon, I'll show you how to sign in QuickBooks if you have already a account. If you don't have account, you can just put your email ad and number so that you can have a 30 days trial. I'll show you how to encode sales and purchases and other transaction, and I'm gonna show you the QuickBooks features. Mm, This one, I think that one. All right. This one is our practice set. So Alan Walker has just retired from his job and decided to put a business selling protective equipment. He named the business International Safety Equipment Trading. So this one, I'm already, I'll log out so that you can see how I log in through, how I log in my QuickBooks account. So here, sign in. You sign in here. Sign in, and this is the dashboard of the QuickBooks as a business viewer. You can switch here as a switch to accountant view. And then this one is the title of the business, International Safety Business Equipment. We can edit that if you or you have a some error. Uh, Account and settings. Here you can edit this pencil. You can edit the name. You can put the logo, the TIN, the business ID number, the if it is sole proprietor corporation, and then the business or industry retail trade, since it is by it's a trading of international equipment, the company email ad and the number. And for the advance, our financial year is January, and the first month of tax year is the same as financial year, and we use accounting method as accrual instead of cash. And then tax form sold proof, and then use this one. You can use this one if you see it, if it is usable for you. The language is English, Philippine peso, since our example is Philippine peso, but you can use US or pound and a multi currency if you handle a client which is a uses multi currency. And then for the first January to 2021, put up capital and open bank account under the name of the business 2 million. So deposit slip of Metro Bank, record it under bank deposit. So we're gonna deposit it in the bank deposit here, bank deposit. Cash and cash equivalent, January 2, 2021. Account, so it's capital. It's put up capital, so we put it in the capital. Capital. Payment method, it's put na lang check, and then amount of 2 million. 2 million. And then the reference, look at it under Metro Bank. I'll put it in Metro Bank. Metro Bank. Put up capital. Save a new. As you to check if it is or if it is in the cash in a cash and cash equivalents here, it's 2 million. It's appeared, and if you want to check, I'll put it in switch to account view. If you want to show if it is reflected in a capital in equity side, let's run a report here. Reports, profit and balance sheet. So it's here, 2 million in cash equivalent and share capital. Is just to check if it is really reflected in a correct account. And then let's proceed to the next. January 21. January 2, 20, acquired a rented space for the office and warehouse stockroom for 20,000 a month. He paid 2 months security deposit and 1 month rent upon signing of the contract. Will be for 2 years and start January 2021. So check 00 to check 001. It should be 60,000. Let's see if there's a 6,000 here. Check 001. It should be 6,000. 60,000, correct. Camella Development Corporation. It's from Camella. It's from Camella. So we will encode it where? Azure 6. Expense. We paid. Who did pay to Camella? Add. If you don't have the PE, you can add as new. Camella. What is name? Camella Development Corporation. Camella. Add new. Camella Development Corporation. Supplier. You can consider this a supplier. Save. Or 2 million. 60,000. Rent expense. That's rent or lease of 20,000. And the other security deposit, it's our receivable. Other asset of 40,000. 40,000. So it's 60,000. 60,000. We can add description 1 month rental expense. Expense for the month of January 2021. And here 2 months security deposit. The date is January 2. See, so your something right. One or more charge lines do not have a tax code associated with it. Please assign a tax code for those. None. No tax. No but. No but. Here, save and close. Let's see with your cash is 2 million minus 60,000. It's 1.940 million. For the next is He hired the following employees: Shao Darwin for delivery boy, Holly Elizabeth, and David. So it's just an information. Then January 2, 2021, the owner invested the car for business use worth 500,000 estimated useful life. Record it as a new account. Okay. So since we paid it, now, 500,000 for use worth. The owner invested the car for business use worth 500 estimated. The owner invested the car for business use, not both. So invested, it's another. The owner invests the car for business use worth useful life. Okay. So investment is another capital. It's not purchased. It was not purchased, but it is invested. So with it, we add it as we can use a journal entry. Mm. It's January 2021. Car, it's PPE. Property, how much is 500,000? And capital. It's capital, it's not expense because it was invested. It was not purchased. Invested car. Invested car. See, next. Let's see the effect of that. What happened? So the capital should be 2 million plus 500 should be 1.5 million. Yeah, yeah. Okay, this one it shows the capital it's already 2.5. Why is there's a written earnings of 20,000? Where did I get this? 2.5. Then earlier I put 500, security 40. The expenses, frontal deposit, yeah, 194. That's fine. Let's proceed to this one, January 8th. Both the following from Sampaguita for business on credit terms 30,000. Four sets, the step of a stable swivel. So it since it's 30 days, we can use the billing Sampaguita 00 invoice number 00134. I'll show you. Invoice number 00134. Invoice 00134. I think this one. 00134. This one. 120,120. We'll record it as a bill. Bill from Sampaguita store. Terms is 30 days. We have 30 days. So this one is January 8th. Bill number 00. That's 00134. 00134. Category it's property, plant and equipment. 4 sets of this stuff. this stock amount of how much amount of 25 each, so it's 100,000. 100,000. Look at this 100,000. Oh my. 1, 2, 3. 100,000. Let's just assume that there's purchase, no VAT, no VAT. Another property and equipment. Property and equipment. Four sets of four sets of office tables. Office tables. How much? 3,000 is for 12,000. This is 12,000. No VAT, no VAT, no VAT. Mm-hmm. 3K per set. 25 per set. This one, property and equipment. 4 sets of swivel, swivel chairs, I think. How much? 2K? Stocky each, Stocky per set. For 2 times it's 8,000. 8,000 and no VAT. All right, let's assume that there's no VAT. There's no VAT earlier, right? Uh, no VAT. 00134. Save and close. And then run report. PPE is already 620, 500 earlier for the car, and then 120 for the Sampaguita store purchases. Next is January 9. Order PPE from China Manufacturing Corporation worth 948,000. Emailing a copy of the 50% down payment upon delivery. Order PPE from China Manufacturing worth 948,000. Emailing a copy of PO 50% down upon delivery. Purchase 2021 shown on POs 20 great items under sales tab. Product under using inventory list provided. So let's check the PO. Let's see the PO. This one from China Manufacturing. PPE coverall, microfiber, isolation, gloves, eye goggles, disposable. It's worth 948,000. 921-001. 21 dash. Emailing a copy of the PO, 50% down payment upon delivery. So let's see if 50%, sindi 50% of manako. 203. It's already another China manufacturing. P50 balance. Okay, so we will include it as a bill. So it's China manufacturing company. Receipt. January 9. That's 9. January 9. That's January 9. 948,000. EO001. What gonna use this? It's inventory. We will add inventory in transit na lang. Inventory in transit. Inventory. Where is inventory? There's no inventory. Other other assets. Inventory in transit. So that it will be when it will be received, inventory and transit, the payables and inventory and inventory. Let's check. Inventory in transit, sub account of inventory. No, save and close. Nine 48,000. This is 948,000, but we'll issue it is in transit. No, save and close. 0. The date, what was the date? January 16. Receive PLDT bills. PLDT, let's see with the PLDT bills. Here, check, invoice. PLDT, here's the PLDT. PLDT. PLDT January 2021. Due date February, so amount due is 1899. 1899. Will its record it is a bill. PLDT. Add new PLDT. Company is PLDT. The due date is February 9. Bill number. What is the bill number? It's communication. What type of expenses? Communication. No communication. What should we use this as an expense account? Stationery. General. Yeah. We're gonna use communication expense. I'll add na lang another expense. Here. This are utilities, I see. We will not add na lang. It's utilities. Utility billing for January 2021, due date February 9. So that we cannot forget how much. 1899. 1899. No tax, I will put no VAT, save. Next, pay the employees. Check number 002. We will pay the expense, their payroll will for the employees. We will add na lang payroll account. Payroll, payroll, payroll na lang payroll. Employee, save.
Mommy, no. Oh, open, mommy. Stop talking, mommy, no.
January 16, 2021, check 002. Check number 002. Payroll. Expenses, it's 20,000. What did you want? Payroll for the period uh, January 1 to 15. It's 20,000. Why? Because their salary half of 10, 15, 25 plus 15, 40. So 20 is the half. It's 20. Save and close. Next, January 19, received the orders of lights from China Manufacturing Corporation. So when we receive, I'll use the journal entry. Can use the journal entry. Account, inventory. How much? 948, 948,000. 948,000. Receive order from China. For the credit, let's credit the inventory in transit so that it will be zero out. Save 948. Let's just check if it is correct. 948,000, 948,000. How much? 948. Save. Sending 50% payment to manufacturing. Yes, because let's record P bills because we record it as a bill, so we P bills. Hmm. P bills January 19. January 19, 20. January 19, 2021. No bills to pay. Why? We will check if there's a problem. We will check the expenses. Earlier, I recorded Kamala. This one, make payment. It was not created. Make payment. Huh? It was doubled. We will delete this one. January 9. It was double, so I should delete this one. Delete. Hmm. Make payment. Half 50%. How much? Of 948. Calculator. 948 divides to 474,000. 474,000. Hmm. Reference number 003. 003. Where is that? Come on. It's back na. Yes. Make payment. January 16. January 19. That's January 19. Mm, check number 003. We just paid 474. 474,000. Save and close. Next, pay the employees for the end of month payroll expense. Payroll, January 31, check number 004. 20 still, it's 16 to 31. Save, 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 save. Mhm. Let's see with the expenses. Next is February 4. For the next month, February 4, 2021, sold to Pretty Smell in the clinic on credit terms 30 days. So we're gonna code 01, create invoices directly. We'll just put na lang invoices 2021-001. I'll show you the invoice document. 001, 001, invoice, this one. 001, sold to Pretty Smile, Mandaluyong, 30 days. Delivered January 4, 17,100. 17,100. Well, go to invoice. We give her a 30 days, so add new. There's no customer. We'll add Pretty. What is the name? Pretty Small Dental Clinic. Pretty Small Dental Clinic. Pretty Small Dental Clinic. Let's just put 000. Ah, make sure that you will not print Pretty Smile Dental Clinic. 123, 123, 123. Save. 30 days. This is invoice is January 2, 2021. Invoice number 001. What did we sell? Product. Add new. PPE. Inventory. Name. PPE. What did they buy? Let's see. 17,100. See. PPE. We're gonna will not set up an inventory. Add new non-inventory. Put non-inventory. PPE. Description. Sells to sales. How much? 17,100. It's 17,100. If you want to add in inventory so that you will have a inventory monitoring, you can change this one. As you can see earlier, when I add this one, there's you can choose inventory. Then we can one by one we can put disposable face mask, gloves, PP cover all, so that there will be a monitoring of the inventory of the sales. Let's see with what we purchased in China Corporation earlier. This one. When we purchased earlier, we can add this one as our inventory. PPE, gloves, eyes, disposable to 1,000, 1,500, so that when we sell it, it will be diminishing. You can opt to do that, but since this is just an example, I'll just use PPE sales. How much? That was 17,100. Zero, but save 17,100. We need an email address. Let's see. There's no email address here. I'll just put my email address to proceed with the example. Hmm. Yahoo.com. Make sure to have the complete. There's a send later. Send letter. So that it will be. But it's better that you need to put so that it will be immediately sent to their email, to the client's email. Save and mm, this one. This is an example. This is an example when you're from our international safety to Rosalie invoice 1001. They're pretty small dental clinic. We appreciate your business. Please find your invoice details here. Feel free to contact us if you have any question. But this one is editable when you go to invoice and edit the themes, print or save, send and close. Okay, so here I have the email that I can receive that email because I put my email on. Let's see. Oh, here. This one. This one. It automatically sent to the email that I put. Next. Paid Sampaguita store. Chick 001. Chick 001. How much? What did I vote in? The desktop. February 8. February 8. P-bills. February. This one Sampaguita. 120, 120. Check number. What number? 005. 005 na. 005 na. Save. Oh, Sampaguita will be 0 now. And then, next, paid bill BT bills. So this one will pay this one. Check number 006. Good. 1899. Save. Next. Set up petty cash 50,000. Check number 007. We can set up this expenses. Or we can use a journal entry. We'll use na lang expenses. Petty cash. We'll add petty cash. For monitoring purposes, petty cash. It's not supplier. Oh no. We'll not use that one na lang. We'll go to journal entry for easier. January, February 2, February 2. Petty cash, petty cash. There's no petty cash account? We will add petty cash. Save. How much? 50,000. 50,000. That's 50,000. Set up petty cash. Save. Next, 50,000 now. Paid necessary premise for operation business 15 from petty cash. Google's Jonas into na lang. On what expenses we're gonna use? Legal. How much what that was? 15,000. 15,000. 15,000. Let's credit the petty cash because since it used the petty cash 15,000 permits. Permits. See next. Hala the date. Next is use permits and licenses. We will edit journal 15. Use that one. X. Hmm. I think we can edit this one. We can edit this one as permits. Let's add expenses, permits, permits and licenses. Mm. Next. What next? Purchase office supplies from National Bookstore, 1 year from PT Cash. We'll use journal entry for easier. How much? Use stationery. Stationery and printing. How much? Station 1845,000. 1845 PT Cash. 1845 National Bookstore purchases. Save. Save. Next. Sold goods to deaf maternity. Let's check the deaf maternity here. Deaf maternity. It's not deaf. Where's deaf maternity? Rather if maternity. 51,750. Let's include it in the invoice. Here, invoice for another customer. We will add deaf. What is the full name? Deaf maternity. Deaf maternity clinic. Deaf maternity clinic. It's deaf maternity clinic. 123, 123, 123, save. And February 15. Invoice this is February 13 with 30 days. PPE, we will choose PPE the same. Sales. How much? That's 51,750. 51,750. Save. The same. I'll use my yahoo.com. Save. The same earlier. I can receive here again. Next is feed the employees. So we'll use expenses for the payroll. Payroll. For the payroll of February. February 1 to 15. How much? 20,000. Save. Next. If paid out China ba, we'll go to bills. Here. Suppliers. Bills. Yeah, we have 474,000 balance. So we're gonna pay that one. When is the payment date? February 19. February 19. Check number 009. 009. Yeah, we're gonna change this one. 474. Save. So the balance of China will be 0. As you can see, Camilla China penalty is already 0 since it was paid already. Then sold goods to St. John. So we're gonna look at the invoice to St. John. St. John Hospital, Dr. Rudy Chan, St. John Hospital. So we use invoice with 30 days term, 30 days. Cash on delivery. We check if we receive the money. There's an OR. Where is the receive date? Let's see. With the OR, huh? Code 1, code 2, OR. This one is the OR. February 25. February 25. Sold good. So we will use sales receipts instead of invoices. We receive the money already. So receive payment. If you sold and you receive like a COD, we will immediately use receipt payment instead of invoice. So add new St. John. St. John. St. John Hospital. St. John Hospital. No, St. John is 30 days. Rosario is okay. We'll use invoice. St. John. St. John. St. John. Add St. John. St. John Hospital. St. John Hospital. 123, 123, 123. It's 20. 20. That's 20. Moment. Invoice number. St. John is invoice number 003. We will use PPE. How much? 282,600. We'll copy the submit later. Save. The same with my same address. Save and close. Make sure all transactions are checked before you save. I forgot to put zero tax. Let's assume that there's no tax in that. Save. Next is COD to Rosario Immaculada. We'll use receipt payment. Add Rosario Immaculada. Rosario Immaculada. Invoice is here. COD 13, it's 73,600. 73,600. Rosario Immaculada. 123, 123, 123. Save. Not that one. Do you want to leave? Yes. We will not use that one. If it's invoice when you sale and you did not receive the money immediately, receive payment, invoice when you receive the payment from invoice when it's COD use sales receipts. Rosario Immaculada, MIMLR, Rosalyn daw at yahoo.com. The sales date, when is that? February 25. The sales receipts, it's February 25. Cash, reference number, invoice. OR number lang. OR number. There's an OR here. 001. 1. PPE. How much is that? 73,600. 73,600. 73,600. See? Mm-hmm. No VAT. Save. Save. After that one, pay the employees for period covered 16 to 8. So for the payroll, we use expense payroll. Mm, yes, 16 to 28. 0010. Sorry. 0010. This one, we're done with this one. So let's check with what's his needed profit and loss and balance sheet. So to show with this one, our cash and quants is 813, remaining cash 830,701, and petty cash is 23155. So to make the reports, we're gonna balance sheet and the profit and loss. This one, balance sheet first. January 2021 to February 2021. Run report. I need to have the depreciation for January. I'll make the journal entry first. How much? 33. And a moment, I'll make a journal entry for the this one, for the depreciation for the PPE that we purchase. Journal entry January 1, 31. For the lapsing, we have furniture's depreciation, accumulated depreciation, is definitely accumulated depreciation. Here, how much for January? We have 1033.34. 1033.34. Property, same. Depreciation expense for the month of January 2021. See, and we will record the depreciation for February. The same accumulated depreciation, accumulated depreciation. This one is property, plant and equipment, 10,333.34. Let's see. January. It's the same 1033.34. Depreciation expense for the month of February 2021. Save. All right. Let's run a report. Profit balance sheet 2021 to February 2028. Run. Email. Email to Rosalyn down 94 at gmail.com. Hello, attaches the balance sheet report for you. Send. I'll check if I received this one. If you need to, if you want to email your balance sheet report, this one it looks like, then this is the PDF attached. Then in for the, then let's run report for the profit and loss. Profit and loss, the same January 2021 to February 28. This one. Run report, we accounting method is a run report. Our total sales is 45,050. The expenses for the payroll for 2 months is 80, payroll miscellaneous 15, rent 20, stationery and printing 1845, utilities 1899. Why there's no rental expense for the second month? Acquired a rented space. There should be a rental expense for February. Sold to pretty blah 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 blah. I think they forgot with that. I need to send to the same email ad. Roslyn down 94 at gmail.com. There we go. Let's see if I can receive that one. This one. Oh, here. This one, this one, this one. I think that's all that I can teach you for today. The basic, the encoding of customer suppliers and journal entry, and to run the reports. Thank you so much for that time. Thank you. In the recording.